Welcome back to Reading Tai Chi. In our last movement, we did cloud hand. So if you remember, with cloud hands, we start with single whip, come across, hand sweep across, down, rise, sink, rise and turn, sink, step out, rise, sink, rise, sink, step out, rise, sink, hold the bagua fish, step to the diagonal, turn, carrying the bagua fish, sink a little more, then rise, sink, step out, single whip. So this is where we ended up last time. So the next movement is called pat the horse high, or some people say high pat on the horse. It really doesn't make too much of a difference how you say it in English. Okay, so sink, step out. This is what it looks like. So from here, we're going to rise and sink and then push up. Okay, fairly simple movement. It's kind of a combination of different things that we already know. The steps, bringing our feet together so they're close together. The hand coming forward, left ward off. So once again, from here, sink, step out. We're going to weights on the left leg, rise, right hand opens up, drawing in the right foot, right hand, and put our foot down, sink, left hand forms a ward off. We meet wrist to wrist, sinking on the right leg, and then rise, push up. Okay, sink, step out, rise, and sink, and then push up. We're pushing towards the west. Left arm forms a ward off. Okay, right hand, once again, is wrist to wrist. Okay, so I want you to follow me. From here, sink, step out, rise, sink, single whip, rise, sink. We're wrist to wrist, push up. Another time, sink, step out, rise, sink and turn, single whip. Weights on the left leg, rise, right hand opens up, draw the right foot in at the same time, sink, push up. Okay, a pretty simple movement to work on, but it's going to be important because it's going to connect us with the next movement, which is the kicks. So watch our next video and then make sure you practice.